Hi, I'm Randy Gregg, Executive Director of the Portland Parks Foundation, and we're here at Grout Elementary School with the first delivery of food from our generous donors. Area school districts are serving breakfast and lunches to the Sun School kids, but many of these kids' families at home are going hungry. As food banks and other providers are scaling up to the demands of the growing hunger crisis, Portland Parks and Recreation and the Foundation have built a team to pitch in to fill the gaps.
My name is Chelsea Kimura. I am the SUN program coordinator here at Grout Elementary. As a SUN coordinator, I provide after-school programs during the school day. And along with nutrition services through PPS, we're providing the other aspect of having groceries in their house. Not just a meal, but groceries where they can cook at any time of the day. It's all divided up, and then we make produce boxes and we make dry good boxes. And they'll be put into vans and then sent out to different apartments. Today is a great start, but we are still looking for more resources.
Join us for a second round of helping out while larger agencies ramp up. We've got a great start with a challenge grant from Parks patrons Darci and Charlie Swindells, who will match the first 20 gifts up to $1,000. And in a truly Portland collaboration, we're working with the logistics team of Hood to Coast Relay and the Portland Police Bureau's Sunshine Division. Together, they are delivering food boxes with up to 27 meals to families. The cost of one of these boxes is just $50. I think our Portland Parks Foundation family can raise at least another $5,000 to feed another 100 Sun School families. Don't you? Let's do this. Please join us today. Thanks.